Here I is a variable that stores the current element in each loop iteration. In this case, I will be January, February, and March as the loop runs. On the first iteration, I is January. Here I is assigned the value January. The print I statement will print January. On the second iteration, I becomes February. Here I is assigned the value February. The print I statement will print February. On the third iteration, I becomes March. Here I is assigned the value March. The print I statement will print March. Let's go to Jupyter Notebook. We can write for I in January, February, March. Then print I. Now hit the run. Here you can see, in the first iteration, I is January, so it prints January. In the second iteration, I is February. In the third iteration, I is March, so it prints March.